Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the EU 9 chapter guideline. Whether you're in the pharmaceutical industry, regulatory affairs, or simply curious about EU compliance, this video will provide a clear and concise breakdown of the 9 essential chapters. This is Pharmalytics, your go-to channel for pharmaceutical insights and regulatory updates. The EU 9 chapter guideline serves as the foundation for good manufacturing practices within the European Union. It ensures the safety, efficacy, and quality of medicinal products. Let's take a closer look at each chapter. Chapter 1 focuses on the pharmaceutical quality system. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining a robust system for manufacturing and quality assurance. This includes personnel responsibilities, product risk management, and continuous improvement measures. Qualified personnel play a key role in GMP compliance. Chapter 2 outlines the necessary qualifications, training, and responsibilities for all employees involved in pharmaceutical production. The design, construction, and maintenance of facilities are covered in Chapter 3. It ensures that premises and equipment meet hygiene and safety standards to prevent contamination and cross-contamination. Proper documentation is critical. Chapter 4 highlights the importance of maintaining accurate, comprehensive, and easily accessible records, including standard operating procedures, batch records, and quality control logs. This chapter covers production principles, ensuring that manufacturing processes follow validated procedures. It also includes handling deviations, ensuring traceability, and maintaining high-quality standards. Chapter 6 focuses on quality control, which involves rigorous testing of raw materials, intermediates, and finished products. It ensures that products meet predefined quality specifications before reaching consumers. Outsourcing is common in the pharmaceutical industry. Chapter 7 provides guidelines on selecting, qualifying, and managing third-party vendors to ensure they comply with GMP standards. Handling customer complaints and recalls effectively is essential for public health. This chapter outlines the procedures for recording, investigating, and acting on complaints, as well as recall strategies to remove potentially harmful products from the market. The final chapter emphasizes self-inspection and internal audits. Regular internal audits help organizations identify compliance gaps and take corrective actions to maintain GMP standards. Understanding and implementing the EU 9 chapter guideline is vital for maintaining GMP compliance and ensuring pharmaceutical product quality. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pharmalytics for more regulatory updates. Thank you for watching Pharmalytics, and see you in the next video.